Master strategies in mathematics and enjoy the journey of learning with Anil Kumar. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let me thank all the viewers and subscribers for watching my videos, posting excellent comments and suggestions. We are extremely thankful to those who are contributing by sending problems which can help many others. Here is a brilliant question from one of our subscribers in Guyana. The question is, express f of x equals to 4x squared minus 12x minus 3 in the form of f of x equals to ax plus h whole square plus k. Using the vertex form, which is this particular form, find the range and intercept of f of x. You can always pause the question, answer, and then look into my suggestions. So the first step is to find the vertex form. So we also call it a very good method which is called completing the squares. We learn completing of squares by answering the first part. We are given the function f of x as equal to 4x squared minus 12x minus 3. First step is to take the leading coefficient. So coefficient of x squared is called leading coefficient. 4 as common. I use square brackets, right, which normally you do not find in the books. You'll see why we use square brackets here. So we get here x squared, 12 divided by 4 is 3, right, so 3x. And keep this minus 3 away. Okay. Then the second step is we write x squared as such and also minus 3x. Then you divide 3 by 2 and add its square and also subtract its square. Right. So adding and subtracting the square of b by 2 helps to complete a square. So that is why this method is also called completing squares. So what we get now is 4 times first 3 terms, which are these, right, form a perfect square. So we can write this as x minus 3 by 2 whole square. You get the idea. You can expand, simplify, right? You know the formula, what is a minus b or a plus b whole square equals to, right? So we know a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we are using this formula, right? A square minus 2ab. So, and b square, right? Great. So the first 3 terms become a perfect square. Now we can rewrite the other. Minus 9 over 4 as the square of 3 by 2 minus 3. Now we can open the bracket, right? So once you open the bracket, then you get 4 times x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 4 times 9 by 4 will give you 9 minus 3. You get the idea, right? So let me write it down on this side. So what we get here as our function f of x equals to 4 times x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 12. So that is how we are going to write the form. Now, in this question, sometimes we have a restriction, and that is to write all these terms as real numbers, right? So these are also real numbers, right? So you could write like this also, right? Okay, great. So we have a vertex form. Now the thing is, using the vertex form, find the range and the intercept. So let's find the range here. How will you find the range? So we have a quadratic function which will be graphed as a parabola, right? So it will be a graph like this, correct? Opening upwards since 4 leading coefficient is positive. We have a vertex right there, and this vertex is at what gives this number in the factor x minus 3 by 2, which is 3 by 2, right? So 1.5. At this value of x, we have minus 12 as the minimum value, correct? So from here, you can say the range is that y belongs to real numbers, right? And we write in curly brackets where y is greater than equal to minus 12. Makes sense? So that is how we are going to write the range for this particular function. Great. Now, how do we find the intercepts? So we are going to find the intercepts on a fresh page. So we have f of x equals to 4 times x minus 3 by 2 whole square. Let me write down. So f of x equals to 4 times x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 12, right? Now when I say intercepts means what? Intercepts means we could have x-intercept and we can also have y-intercept. So don't forget that. So let's find out first y-intercept. Sometimes you may miss it, right? That's why. So y-intercept means x is equal to 0. So that means f of 0. So f of 0 is 4 times 0 minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 12, correct? Which is 4 times, this becomes positive, right? 9 by 4 minus 12. And that gives you 9 minus 12 as minus 3. So we got the y-intercept as minus 3. Really? The point is 0 minus 3. Makes sense, right? So that's the first part. And now let us find the x-intercepts. Perfect. X-intercepts means that the y value is 0. Equating y to 0, we can rewrite our equation as 4 times x minus 3 by 2 whole square minus 12 equals to 0. Bringing 12 to the right side, we get 4 times x minus 3 by 2 whole square equals to 12. Dividing by 4 gives x minus 3 by 2 whole square equals to 12 divided by 4, which is 3. Now we'll square root it, right? So we get x minus 3 by 2 equals to plus and minus square root of 3. Makes sense? Plus and minus square root of 3, and then we get the value of x as 3 by 2 plus and minus square root of 3. So we get two x-intercepts which are at 3 by 2 plus and minus square root 3. Makes sense, right? So that is how you are going to find the x-intercept. So we got two x-intercepts, 3 by 2 plus square root 3 by 2, square root 3, right? So let me write x-intercepts as x equals to 3 by 2 plus square root 3, right? Or, and I should say 3 by 2 minus square root 3. Is that clear to you? So we got two x-intercepts in this particular case as expected. Parabola opening up with minimum negative value, it will have two x-intercepts. Perfect. So I hope you have understood how do we solve such a question in a test. Sometimes students miss on the y-intercept. So if a term intercept is being used, it means both x and y intercepts. You may have to sketch the figure also at times, right? So you should sketch the figure also if required. I hope it makes sense. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. And keep posting. This is your channel. Thank you.